Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special car, 1970 Pontiac Trans Am. This is one of 48. It's a Ram Air 400, 4-speed, air conditioning, and built in Nuys, California. Absolutely beautiful. This car is like brand new. Quintessential colors. 4-speed with air. Also has California emissions. Brand new. Space saver in the trunk too. Still running on R12 as well. Beautiful dash. Still has the plastic on the sills too. There'll be 2 build sheets on this car. The deluxe interior was added. It looks phenomenal. Pretty car. 49,747 original miles. About 2,500 miles on the restoration. So pretty. It's a cold start. Can't run it too long in here. And even has all the original shielding on here too. Pretty neat. Definitely a blue chip car. Okay, we also have the Z28 350. I think we got 2 build sheets on this one. All original too. 4-speed with air. Original paint, original wheels, original tires. See, the paint's all original. Decals are original. I notice a slight difference in the paint from materials, which is normal. You know, the front bumper is like a rubber material. The fenders are obviously metal. Quarter panels are metal. Beautiful. Very special. This is a WS6. This car has so many options. It's got 2 build sheets and an addendum. This car is all original, including the tires, and the wheels have been refurbished. An amazing documentation on this. This is also 4-speed with air. Very, very rare. Well, guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. Check it out on our website too. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.